Hello guys, this video I want to show you about best time to visit Masai Mara. The best time of year to visit the Masai Mara National Reserve is when the park's wildlife is most numerous and accessible. Kenya safaris rank among the top safaris available on the African continent for travelers. Best time to visit Masai Mara. The best time of year to visit the Masai Mara National Reserve is when the park's wildlife is most numerous and accessible. Kenya safaris rank among the top safaris available on the African continent for travelers. The Masai Mara National Reserve is located in Kenya and is one of the country's top vacation attractions thanks to its unique environment, which is home to a wide range of wildlife species and beautiful scenery. The Great Rift Valley, a fault line that extends from Ethiopia's Red Sea to Kenya, Tanzania, Malawi, and Mozambique, contains the Masai Mara National Reserve, which shares a border with Tanzania's Serengeti National Park in the Mara region. The reserve spans an area of 1,510 square kilometers. The Syria Escarpment, which is elevated and forms a stunning plateau, forms the western boundary of the Masai Mara National Reserve. Its terrain includes a variety of terrain types, including the Nama Hills to the east, which are filled with leafy bushes that black rhinos prefer, as well as sandy soils. The Mara Triangle, which borders the Mara River and has lush grassland and woods that sustain a wide range of species, including the wildebeest, is the other type. The Central Plains, which make up the majority of the area, have rolling grasslands with sporadic rocks and plants that are popular with the fauna of the plains. All year long, Masai Mara is renowned for offering great opportunities for wildlife viewing. The greatest time to visit the Mara is from July to October, though, if you want to get a chance to see how the great wildebeest migration develops. Lion season. From January to March. The majority of large plains game animals, including as zebras and wildebeest, give birth to their young during the lion season. Masai Mara is speckled with kids following their mothers for a few weeks at the beginning of the year. Predators are there along with the enormous quantity of newborn calves. One of the highest populations of predators, including lions, in Africa may be found in the Masai Mara Game Reserve and Mara Naboisho. You can anticipate seeing lions frequently and in prides during this time. All year round, the Masai Mara and Naboisho Conservancy provide countless days of adventure. Since there hasn't been any rain, the foliage is less dense, making it easier to see animals when on a Masai Mara game drive safari. Green season. From April to June. A Masai Mara safari is especially beautiful during the early spring, which is typically referred to as the green season. These are the months that regularly have the most rain. Africa's breathtaking vistas seem their most beautiful when the savanna is clear of dust, and clear of cloud. Numerous predators are drawn to the synchronized birth of hundreds of young antelope, impala, kudu, waterbuck, and other animals, and you have a good chance of seeing them in action. Thousands of migrant birds arrive at this time to set up colorful residence on the savanna, making it the finest time of year to go bird watching. The lovely blossoming trees and flowers provide a variety of birds with the perfect refuge and food. Along with the dramatic grandeur of the season, the green season offers cheaper travel costs and less tourists than other times of the year. The ideal way to spend Easter break is to go on a Masai Mara safari with DAV safaris during the green season. Migration season. From July to September. One of the most incredible spectacles in nature, the Great Wildebeest Migration is well deserving of its place in that list. The Great Migration, which consists of more than 1.5 million wildebeest, zebras, and antelopes, is the last multi-species migration still in existence today. Millions of recently arrived brown and black specks start to appear around the end of June, covering the Mara's vast plains and enhancing its already incredible beauty. Witnessing this natural wonder of the world while participating in the Great Migration with DAV safaris adds another dimension. A safari with one of our Masai guides will change your life and give you a richer, more profound understanding of the intricate workings of the Masai Mara ecosystem. The Masai are the true naturalists and are the only people who truly understand the Mara. We are able to offer genuine safari experiences that leave our guests with lifelong memories, a sense of purpose, and a desire to engage due to our long-standing dedication to the Masai community. Wildlife season. From October to November. The herds increase up their pace from mid-October to December when the brief rains tempt them south. Due to the continual grazing by the enormous herds of zebra and wildebeest, the grass on the Mara plains is sparse. The wildebeest migrate south in search of greener pasture when the amount of rain drops and the grass starts to dry out. The northern migration enters the Mara after traveling through the Naboisho Conservancy in time to meet their southern sisters and brothers at the family reunion, which attracted more than 1.5 million people. The northern migration passes through Naboisho once more as they make their way back to Loita. They stay until the end of the year. This is a fantastic time to observe the migration slowly spilling back into the northeast Serengeti from the Masai Mara. Festive season. December. Between December and the start of January, the Masai Mara grasslands are dotted with a variety of wildlife, not snow, which would have made them white. Christmas is a season of celebration, contemplation, family, and friendship unlike any other time of the year. To help our Christmas guests escape the chilly winter weather, preparations are being made to create a special event. While on a Masai Mara safari, DAV Safaris also develops entertaining and engaging activities for your kids. To learn about the stunning Masai culture and its unique flora and animals. How to travel to Masai Mara National Reserve. You can either take a road trip or a flight to go to the Masai Mara National Reserve, which is located around 241 kilometers southeast of Nairobi City. Masai Mara National Reserve is roughly a 5-hour drive from Nairobi City if you take a car. You can travel via cab, bus, or private vehicle. To help you manage the muddy routes to Masai Mara National Reserve, it is advised that visitors utilize 4WD vehicles. Visitors who prefer to travel by air can board chartered aircraft departing from Wilson Airport or Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi. Lodging options in Masai Mara National Reserve. There are many lodging options in Kenya's Masai Mara National Reserve that will let you unwind and enjoy your safari. Some of them are the Masai Serena Safari Lodge, Cotter's 1920s Camp, Base Camp Masai Mara, Mara Bush Camp, Mapata Safari Club, Matira Camp, Acacia House, Mara West Chalets, Fairmont Mara Safari Club, Elawana Sand River, Tembo Tented Camp Governor's Private Camp, and Mara Gench Luxury Tented Camp. They include high-end, mid-range, and low-cost accommodations. Why DAV Safaris? We are local tour operators with a thorough understanding of all tour options in Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda and Tanzania. As a result, we tailor our tour itineraries, tour packages to fit your interests and financial constraints using our local knowledge of the area. We are glad to claim that a key element of our safaris is our team of expertly staffed and guides who are knowledgeable about the flora, fauna, and history of East Africa countries, Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya and Tanzania. Thanks for watching. Please wait to the next video. Thanks.